Hey everyone, welcome to Lance Fantasy Gaming. This is part 2 for March 2025 Patreon. I'll be looking at D&D, Warhammer proxies, and figures for your 3D printing needs. All those stuff we'll be looking at, the link will be down below for you guys as well. And if you do enjoy it, please subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon Discord, and let's begin. So we got R and the studio, and looks like they have a Kickstarter that's coming up as well. Well, that's a pretty cool looking Kickstarter, but this is gonna be March preview. So we got Blizzard Entertainment Games, we got World of Warcraft, and we got StarCraft for Kerrigan. For that, and we got GI Joe. I, I stopped watching GI Joe when I was a kid, and tell you the truth, I never really liked GI Joe. My dad did, but I wasn't really a big fan of GI Joe. I remember having a small action figure toys. But yeah, I don't care for GI Joe. Spy X Family. So this is actually pretty cool to have. Yuri. Bond with his sunglasses. Okay, rescale miniature. Used to be loader print, and let's see here for March. So we got dragons, like always. This looks like Copper Dragon, with the Skeksis face from the Dark Crystal. So this might be a good Zinch proxy. Letting you guys know because it has the bird-like face and feathers, so this could be a good Zinch thing, and you have some demons for it. This thing looks kind of familiar for some reason. The face for these looks very familiar. Some more demons. And we got looks like a succubus demon as well. I do like it how they use the tails for the flying jump mount and stuff like that. Might be a pain in the butt to paint too. Some kind of Zinch beast you guys can have for your Zinch army. Huh. It's not bad. It's because if I were working on a Zinch army, I'll probably get print a whole bunch of these. It's probably the what you call it. I forgot what you call those freaking guys. Those they're pink and blue. They're like one of Zinch's like weird army, weird demons. I think they were called. Yeah, weird. Yeah, I think this is like more for Zinch's stuff. But I'm like trying to work on Slanesh, and I try to get an army compiled just to make Slanesh army, in my opinion. But other ways, I get the files, but I'm like I have like no probably one day if I'm working on Zinch army, I'll do it. But that's pretty much it. Okay, so we have March release. We got a Joel set crafter, staff crafter, and we got a hyena set and a vulture set for this month. That's coming up as well. So these are really good for if you need to have fillers for your village and stuff, or like go in a specific area to like make a set or a craft. This might be it. Good for you guys as well. Nom Nom figures, another good figure ones for it. That's for April. I already did it. I think this is the Astrobot. Should be. Still haven't finished the game for that. Let's see, February recap. I want to see what's March going to be. There we go, March. So we got Eisen, Dante, Shampoo, full size for Illidan. Forgot that from Don Dadan. And one of the Metal Gear Solid characters, League of Legends, and Turbo Granny, Extra Model. We got Crash Bandicoot and Astrobot. I don't really care about all of this. I really care about Eisen right now. Eisen's, I do like Overlord anime. Ruben figure, another good figure one as well. This will be your month for this month as well. And I think they're all from Nikki, I believe. And this is you can also get these 6 of them as well for your thing. OXO3D. I think Jinx is pipe for this month. We've been getting a lot of Jinx. February, March updates. Let's see here. I think this is March. Might be a better one out. Um, let's go look at this one. So we know these were February. Probably this one too, but I think this one's March. So we are gonna get something from Elden Ring. It is Psylocke, Black Cat, and I don't know what this one's from, and this one is from. That's loyalty for this month as well. Anime Girl STL. I don't know if they actually have anything else actually releasing for March for this, but we can take a look at it. Pito no color, Sasa, nope. That was from last month. February second girl. Did we vote for March for this yet? I don't think so. So I don't know what March is going to be. These are good figures as well for anime stuff. If you do enjoy it, please go check them out. Gamescape is a good terrain piece, especially for D&D. And I gotta refresh this because it's freaking having problems for some reason. Let's see here. March expansion. So we got bridge, towers, cliff, bridges, and other stuff. And if you are going to use these, get an FDM printer. These are mostly for FDM. I have one of the biggest resin printer, and I cannot fit a lot of these. So I use mesh to cut them apart, and just if I want to print them separately. But they're pretty good with FDM style for these guys as well. They're meant for FDM printing. 3D art guy, another good figure ones. Also good proxies for Warhammer as well. And once it loads, okay. Here we go. This is March. So I don't know what this one. This one from the Custodes. Really pretty cool. Or probably Dark Angels, most likely. Especially how it looks. With the cross. I think this is Dark Angels. Then Custodes. I think this was in Ghost. This is Halo. Master Chief. I forgot what this one's from. Can't keep my mouth towards it, but yeah. Pretty good figures for it. DM Stash. Another good D&D style miniatures. If it behaves. So let's see here. Mage Hunter release. So let's see. We got some terrain foundries. Eldritch Beast of the Death. So how will they go around hunting mage? You get your maps as well if you need it. Your bust. Adept of Evocation. People's Blade. Righteous Inquisitor. The Rage of the South. Spear of the Crimson Sand. Knights of the Inquisition. Blood Pack Warlock. High Inquisitor. Resistance Leader. Steadfast Inquisitor. Mage Bane Inquisitor. It's a Gunslinger Inquisitor. A lot of freaking. We have Warhammer has Inquisitors, so you might want to take some of those Inquisitors with you for your Warhammer as well. Eldritch Beast of the Death. Was that it? Nope. And you have your terrain pieces. Psionic Dark Inquisitor. And that'll be it for that. Great Grimoire, another good D&D. Miniatures as well. I'd be doing more like fairy tale style. This is March release as well. It's kind of weird. The City of the Lost Souls. I might just print these in translucent green and see how it works with the whole thing for it. This is probably going to be the last one. Making Talon, another good terrain piece as well. Let's see here for March. I think they're doing Sewer for March. Looking at it. The Tree of the Eternal Vigil. I will do need some of those trees, so especially big ones as well. Yeah, sewer. Looks like we're doing a sewer line because we did sewer line on February. And this looks like the same one as that one. Probably not. Pole settings. But we'll see. Well, anyhow, let me know what you guys think. Subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon, Discord. Thank you guys very much. Have a nice day, guys. Bye.